Looking for a quick, healthy, and naturally sweet snack? Today I'm making these no-bake healthy energy bowls using dates, almonds, mixed nuts, and sesame seeds. They're easy to make, require no oven, and are perfect for a quick snack or an energy boost during the day. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 10 pitted dates, 1 cup whole almonds, 1/2 cup mixed nuts, pistachios and peanuts, sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a little water, only if needed. First, take 10 dates and remove the seeds if they are not already pitted. Place the dates in water and let them soak for about 10 minutes. This softens the dates and makes them much easier to blend. Dates provide natural sweetness and contain fiber and minerals such as potassium. Next, take 1 cup of whole almonds and grind them. Don't grind them into a completely smooth flour. We want the almonds to be slightly crushed because the small pieces give our energy bowls a delicious texture and crunch. Almonds provide protein, healthy fats, fiber, vitamin E, and minerals. After soaking, drain the dates and place them into a blender or food processor. Blend until the dates become a thick, sticky paste. If your dates are very dry and the mixture is difficult to blend, you can add a very small amount of water. Add it little by little so the mixture doesn't become too wet. Now add the crushed almonds to the blended dates. Add 1/2 cup of mixed nuts, including pistachios and peanuts. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, add some sesame seeds. Blend or pulse everything together until the ingredients are well combined. You want the mixture to be sticky enough to hold together when you press it with your hands. If the mixture feels too dry, add a little water, just a small amount at a time. Now comes the fun part. Take a small amount of the mixture and roll it between your hands to form a ball. Continue until you have used all of the mixture. There is no need to make them perfectly round. Homemade is perfect. Spread some sesame seeds onto a plate. Now roll each energy ball gently in the sesame seeds until the outside is lightly coated. Sesame seeds contain healthy fats, fiber, protein, and minerals such as calcium and magnesium. Place the finished energy balls in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. This helps them become firmer and makes them easier to enjoy. And that's it! No baking, no complicated ingredients. Just a simple homemade snack. After 1 hour, your healthy energy balls are ready to enjoy. They are naturally sweet from the dates and packed with nuts and seeds for a satisfying snack. You can enjoy 1 or 2 as a quick snack when you need something convenient and delicious. If you enjoyed this easy no-bake recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more simple and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes simple is the best.